Pin column. You can pin a column to the side. You can do the same directly in the column header by pointing to the field name and then clicking on the pin. You might think now, what for? If your Vizlib table has a horizontal scroll bar, the pinned column always remains inside. This can be quite useful, for example, in a table containing many measures and/or dimensions. With pinned column position, you can pin the column to the right or to the left. I will pin the column country, and if position is set to left, nothing happens. But if I switch to right, the column country will be displayed on the right side.